I'm Agent the Singer, owner of the Classy Creatives Agency on Bigo Live. Question: have you ever wanted to get paid to do exactly what you love to do each and every day? Well, Bigo Live allows you to do just that. Second question: have you ever wanted to get paid to get over a fear like social anxiety? Well, Bigo Live allows you to do just that. Also, you ever wanted to get paid to just meet people from all over the world, all walks of life? Bigo allows you to do just that. Now, all you have to do is 30 hours a month. That's 2 hours a day billable towards your tier, okay, for 15 days out of the month. At least 10,000 beans from your audience each month will get you paid. You can make anywhere from $100 to $30,000 a month. Yes, I do know people who make $30,000 a month. You can do it. All you have to do is apply yourself. Now, if you would like to become a host on Bigo Live, all you have to do is download the app, go to www.classycreativesagency.net, click apply now, and we can get you started as soon as today. So go ahead and get it done so we can get this money. All right? Bye.